Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make chicken stock. Parsnips, limes, fennel, red bell peppers, red potatoes, a medley color of carrots, golden beets, radishes, red onions, a melange of aromatics, ginger. I got spring water and of course white wine, and the birds behind me with the stock pot. Okay, let's add it. First things first, of course, you want to pan sear your chicken and get that ready. In the meantime, peel and clean your vegetables, and you're going to want them pretty much whole or halved in big chunks because this is a stock pot we're going to be making. Now that the bird's all seared, we're going to put that into the stock pot. It's got a gallon of spring water in it. Now we take all the root vegetables and we put them into the pan for pan roasting. And then get everything on the bottom, throw the carrots and parsnips on top, and we're good to go. Okay, and then we're gonna one-hand this over here, get all the vegetables in there. Oh, with all that stuff, look at that, incredible. And now we got the onions and peppers and fennel and radishes going. Looking very nice. Okay, this is, you can see the colors turning glacé. We've turned this up to as much as we possibly can before bad things happen. You can get a little stuff in there. Glacé, see those onions? Now we're going to swim it in wine. Okay, that's on a roaring roar. Look at that. Look at that beautiful color. And it's come down a couple of inches, which is nice. And let's give a little stirry here and just show you in the spoon what good chicken soup is. See that? See the color? See that? Very nice. Okay, 5 hours later, we're gonna strain all of this out. Make it look really nice. And then we're just heading for the broth. That's what we're getting, the stock itself. Now that we have the raw stock, it's time to put in the lime, the ginger, and the aromatics. Bring it to a good boil, not for too long, but just bubble it up there. Chicken stock, it's easy to make. All you need to do is be patient and let it do its thing. All right, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.